Okay, so back to the main topic. I've just recorded 5 minutes and I managed to replicate that glitch. It's not a fucking hack. So now I'll do a little commentary, like to just show that I did it without any hacks. Zuni spam fire. There again, you just fucking saw it. There, you, it's a fucking glitch. It's not a hack. Not at all. There, again! Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know what to say, for real. It's not a hack. It's a glitch. It's a repeatable glitch in BF4. See, again. It's just shooting more Zunis than I should have. It's a glitch. I was in the right. It's no fucking RPM hack. It's nothing. It's a glitch. There, again, 5 times in a row. Hope that's enough for you. God damn it.